What's up, YouTube? I have my Ruger P345 Airsoft pistol. It shoots about 390 FPS, feet per second. I'm going to do a quick shooting video of it real quick, just to show accuracy for an Airsoft gun, at least. So, I'm going to show you the target I'm going to be shooting at. It's right there, about 15 to 20 feet away. But first, I'm going to have to change my CO2 gun. That's where it runs off of. So let me do that real quick. Show y'all how to do it. There's a screw at the bottom. Just unscrew that all the way. Dump it out. Put the new one in. And just screw it back in. And it goes in like that. As you can see, a very short process. So there we go. Now I will be loading the clip in. Alright, I just set my camera up by the target. I'm going to go back and hopefully you'll be able to see the shooting go down. So here we go. Let's take a look at it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I aim for the bottom target. These are all the shots. I'm shooting a little low. Can't really say anything about it, but again, I was shooting from about 15, 20 feet away, so not really bad for an airsoft gun because they normally don't have the best accuracy in the world. But I'm going to load up another clip and I'll shoot another round, but this time I'll be shooting at the top target, not the bottom. All loaded up. Like I said, I'm shooting at the top target. So here we go from about 15 feet away again. Alright, that time I only shot 10 shots, and as you can see, this gun, I guess, naturally shoots low. That's a fresh CO2 tank, so if this was a person, they would still have some nice whelps on them, but as you can see, I didn't hit bullseye, but I got in it for the most part. But this gun is a low shooting gun, I guess. But thanks for watching this Pit Bike Goons.